So hey everyone, it's me Nehacutie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am back with my new video, but I am not going to show you what I am going to make. Later I am going to tell you what I will make. So without doing any delay, let's begin. Some boiled potatoes, chopped onion, mix it well, chopped green chilies, mix it well, dhania, salt to taste, red chili powder, so I'm going to make now bird nest. So bird nest is ready. 3 teaspoon maida, some water, mix it well. Mixture is ready. Now I am going to take the nest and I am going to dip it in this mixture. Savoy, and I am going to here. So my bird nest is ready. Now I am going to fry it. Hot oil and I am going to fry it. So I fried it and this is ready. Now I am going to give some pudina leaves. So this is ready and now I am going to make eggs. Cute eggs. So my bird nest recipe is ready. So yeah, my bird nest recipe is ready. So this is very cute, right? You may see. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful and cute recipes.